Hi there and welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today we're going to be making another classic tiki cocktail. This one is called the Fog Cutter. We're using 4 different kinds of liquor in it. It's definitely interesting, but it's very delicious. So if you're ready, let's get started. So this drink is really simple to make. All you have to do is combine all of your ingredients into a shaker, shake it up, and pour it into a glass. So here we have 2 ounces of fresh squeezed orange juice, 1 ounce of lime juice, 1.5 ounces of just regular light rum. This is Bacardi here. 1/2 ounce of brandy, another 1/2 ounce of dry sherry wine. I know I said it's very random alcohol in this drink, but it's delicious. And last, another 1/2 ounce of gin. And we're just gonna add 1 pump of our almond orgeat syrup. And we're just gonna shake it all up. A lot of tiki drinks require almond orgeat syrup, so having this on hand at home will pull together your tiki bar perfectly. And for this, I'm just gonna garnish it with a nice fresh cut lime wheel and some fresh mint. And there you have it, a classic Fog Cutter Tiki Drink. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I really hope you enjoyed this drink as much as we enjoyed making it for you. If you do make this at home, be sure to tag us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Amoretti. We'll see you next time.